Morning guys! Welcome back ulit sa aking channel. Ayan guys. So, first day ng Palarong Pambansa. So ayan guys, pinuntahan ko na yung kaibigan namin para kami ay sama-sama doon. So ayan guys, dito yan sa Mariguran, kung saan dito siya nakatira guys. So dito kami nakaparking guys kasi may appointment pa kami, may meeting pa kami guys. So ito ay mga bandang alas 2 na, so which is na start yung parade is 1 PM. So yan guys, mabuti at hindi masyadong mainit guys nung sumabay yung panahon kasi kawawa na yung nagpaparade. So dito kami dawaan guys dahil hindi na pinapadaan yung mga sasakyan. Yan is mga sasakyan ng mga VIP yan. So ito guys, no, dito yung nakalagay yung fireworks display. Yan guys, makikita nyo sa panahon. Yan guys, fireworks yan. So lumakad kami guys, no, nagdakad na lang kami guys. Yan yung sasakyan namin doon nakaparking. So makikita nyo dito guys sa gilid is maraming mga souvenirs, like nakaabot kami ng Central Elementary School. So ayan guys, ayan, dito kami dadaan. Ayan, kasi hindi kami napanaan ng entrance kasi wala kaming ticket, hindi kami nabigyan. So ayan guys, ito naman si ma'am to the rescue sa amin dahil kami nagkasupply ng portamat nila. So dumaan kami kung maaari at saka yan, padaan kami guys. So ayan guys, andito kami sa loob. Ito pala yung dadaan yung Pangulo natin, which is ang ating Pangulo ng Pilipinas, Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. So dito siya dadaan guys, no. Ayan, so sa exit to guys. So nakapwesto agad kami, which is nice yung pwesto namin guys kasi makikita namin yung sino yung VIP na darating, lalo yung presidente. So ayan guys, no, ang ganda ng tingnan, iba-ibang color, 18th region. So mga hindi ako nagkakamali guys, is 18 na region guys to, for the entire Philippines. Ayan. So iba-ibang sila guys, tawag nito cheer. Ayan, ito yung opening guys, no. Medyo malayo kami sa sa center pero okay lang, at least nakaupo kami na maayos guys. So marami pa namang bakante dito sa itaas. So yan, opening pa lang to guys, no. So ayan, kakatuwa tingnan, saka proud tayo kasi dito naganap yung Palarong Pambansa sa Cebu City, no. Ayan, ibang paandar guys, no. Ito ay part 1 pa lang guys. So next ko is i-upload ko yung part 2. So ando na yung mga fireworks at saka yung guest performer natin from mga celebrity performer. Isa doon is ang ating best duck girl na si Sharon Reyes. Ayan guys. So yan mga langgam guys, oh. May team din sila, mga kalapati. So yan na guys, dumating yung ating presidente guys. Akala ko kasama niya si BP Sara. Ang mahal nating BP Sara. Siguro dahil busy lang dahil andun siya sa car ata. Ayan. So doon kami guys, no. Ayan na guys, ng ating mahal na presidente, si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ito ay 3 beses ko na siya nakita guys, na in personal. Ayan, which is first nakita ko siya nung tumakbo pa siya bilang vice presidente, which is hindi siya nanalo. Nandun siya tumuloy kasi sa hotel namin nung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa hotel guys. So ako nag-serve ng coffee niya. guys. Lang, medyo proud ako guys. So ayan guys, ito lang hinihintay namin lahat para mag-start na talaga. Kasi dumating naman siya ng puntong oras na. Ito ay 5:30 guys, no? Umpisa lang yung programa. Sila guys ay galing pa yan sa labas. 1 PM is nag-start yung parade nila guys doon sa sa highway. So ayan, bago sila pumasok dito. Dito rin ginaganap yung sinulog dati guys, no? Hindi pa ito renovation talaga. Hindi ito naputol ng 3 taon ata bago naman yung mga sinulog. Dito talaga iniheld yung sinulog guys. So ayan guys, nag-start na yung mga napaandar natin. Ayan, which is a Tribe Cebu. Ayan guys, ganito na.
Cebu leads the way in income, business, trade and commerce, tourism, the creative arts, culture, heritage, and history, among others. I love Palarong Pambansa. I love Cebu!
We now invite President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. together with a stage party to please proceed. Ladies and gentlemen, the ceremonial lighting of the torch. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. will now pass the torch to Cebuano sports icon and Gilas Pilipinas member, Honorable Dondon Contiveros, honoring his invaluable contribution. Honorable Double T, Kenneth Calvin Cole. The team captain of the University of San Jose Recoletos volleyball team, Mary Antoinette Cortez, will now receive the torch from Kenneth Calvin Cole, symbolizing the command to uphold Cebu City's pride. Finally, the torch will be entrusted to Pearl Caneda and Gilbert Abuzo of the Cebu City Dance Sports team, emphasizing dance sports' newfound status and Cebu's role as the nation's dance sports capital. This relay signifies Cebu's commitment to illuminating sporting excellence and nurturing youth development beyond athletics, aiming to inspire both locally and globally. The ceremonial lighting of the Balarong Pambansa earned by Southeast Asian Games gold medalists Pearl Caneda and Gilbert Abuzo of Cebu City Dance Sports team. Once again, welcome to the 2024 Balarong Pambansa Cebu City Beyond Sports.
Together with Sergio Michael, Leonard General, Franco Cañete, Benji Lagos, JJ Yan, Ivy Gayur, and the more than 1,000 performers of Cebu. Let's give them all a big round of applause.
Maybe.
Guys, abangan nyo po yung part 2. Ayan guys. Thanks for watching. For the opening ceremony ng Palarong Pambansa.